Have you heard about elai Pirandai before? A variety of welded grapes, a leafy one. The other day, I was playing tennis with my kids on a college campus, and I saw something greeny and interesting on the fence. And I walked closer, having something else in my mind. But to my surprise, this wild creeper, which I have only a small plant in my balcony, has completely covered three tall trees. And it's glossy, the round shaped leaves were shimmering in the sunlight, and I immediately thought, wait, is that elai Pirandai? So I gently picked a vine, a long twining vine came right into my hand. Just like that, my campus game turned into a mini forest adventure. I brought elai Pirandai home happily, washed it thoroughly, and I admired its freshness and the greenness. The bunch was quite big. And if only 10 or 20 leaves, I will definitely make chutney out of it. But here the quantity is big. And so I immediately called my mother and she suggested me, why don't you make dal powder instead? So dal powder, it has shelf life and I can store it for a month or two, and it will go great with white rice, idli or dosa. So that's how this recipe began. Oh, heat the pan, add little sesame oil and add the elai Pirandai leaves. Fry them gently until the bright green turns dull and aromatic. That is more important. That's how you know it's ready. The trick is to remove the rawness so that we can store this for a long time. Now once it is ready, allow it to cool down. Now we are frying a handful of curry leaves and 8 to 9 number of dried chilies. And now we are roasting chana dal. Later we are going to add urad dal and a handful of peanuts and a spoon of sesame seeds. And finally we have to roast them properly, and you can see the sesame seeds popping up. And once this is ready, you also add it to the mixture. And now handful of garlic cloves, and once it is roasted, add a spoon of fenugreek seeds, vendayam. So roast them until the aroma turns so good. And after that, I am going to roast a spoonful of rock salt and turmeric powder. And once it is ready, we are going to allow the whole mixture to cool down. So it is like urad dal, chana dal, dried chilies, fenugreek seeds, tamarind, asafoetida, salt, garlic cloves in sesame oil, and our fried elai Pirandai leaves. Now it is going into the mixture jar and we are going to grind it. And now this mix is ready. It is going to go well with idli, dosa or white rice. When you are in hurry, you just add a bit of ghee or coconut oil or sesame oil, add hot rice to it and a spoonful of our this Pirandai mix. Now I am going to temper this mix with a few mustard seeds and jeera and cumin seeds. And once we can make ball out of this, and Pirandai podi urundai is ready. So this will go well with any kind of rice. That day we made karunguruvai rice. So we usually consume red rice, and so it went amazingly well with karunguruvai rice. Hope you liked it. Thank you.